Hello there, hope you're well. Miserable day here in Ranong. Miserable for many reasons. The numbers are going up and up and up. I think there was 40 something COVID cases here in Ranong. Restrictions are getting tighter. We now have a curfew, not allowed out of the house after 10 o'clock at night. I feel like the wagons are circling, but we're all trapped inside. Unbelievable, you know, it's getting harder and harder and harder to get back to Oz. I can go. I've been living here 23 years, you know, I've got a house here, I've got, you know, the work I'm doing at the moment is currently based out of this region. But I desperately want to get home and see my daughters and family and my grandkids and the whole lot, but if I go back there, I'm more likely to die in bloody quarantine in Australia than I am here. But if I do go back to Oz, then I can't. It's getting more and more difficult to come back here. So I'm between a rock and a hard place. I don't want to sound like I'm moaning, but they don't think the Australian borders will open until the end of next year for visitors, for tourists to go in. And if Australians want to leave Australia, they're going to need special permission. So the world's gone tits up, to be honest with you. Anyway, hard to get out and you know, show you around too much, but I'm going to put a little bit of a package together, a little bit of crap what COVID's doing to us here in Ranong and how we're turning to beer to survive. Anyway, have a look, see what you think. Enjoy. Well, the rains have set in now. They're nearly finished taking out that rock, see in there, still hammering away, but almost finished that one. It's all that's holding up this whole thing now is just getting these big granite rocks out. There's the rock there. Only about a metre to go, it looked like. Maybe a metre and a half. Let's see what's going on down here. The testing clinic. I'm here, and I heard yesterday there was thousands of people down here queuing up, but it's raining today, so that'll scare them off. But there's next to nobody sitting there today, so I don't know what that's all about. But it's all empty. Really empty. Yeah, what's all that about? Yesterday thousands, today nobody. That's because of the rain, so COVID stops for the rain. Got your red light flashing, mate. I don't think you have to wait for a red light. I can hear you, yes.
Okay, perfect.
You can hear me okay. Who's this, Mr. Carew, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
So, where are we? We're down with the chef in the chef's office, are we?
Just 1 second. We are at the chef office now.
Yep. Okay, video.
อ๋อวิดีโอ อ้าว
เปิดแล้วใช่ไหม
เปิดแล้วค่ะ
Hello. What have you, huh?
Today, boy. Oh, I'm going to try to put. Finger in his mouth. Most safe place in Ranong.
Just had a game of golf. Probably one of the worst games of golf I've ever played. Ever. Yeah. I'm not even going to talk about the score, but we played the back nine down at the army base. Front nine and the back nine's not as well maintained, and it's very, very difficult. Beautiful scenically speaking, but very, very difficult. Anyway, screwed it up, made an absolute cock of it. Golf clubs are going to get thrown into the ocean and take up table tennis. Heading back into town now. I might stop for one quick beer. Oh shit, might stop for one quick beer at Preben's boat. Luckily it's high tide though. Let's see if we can get on this boat without falling into the sewer filled estuary. Guy's sitting there in the back of the car eating some lunch, I guess. What's the problem?
Fuck, I just cleaned the whole floor here. Now it's all dirty again with oil, foot, and da-da-da, because they're repairing the boat next door.
The boat next door.
Yeah, fuck. Let's go and play golf again.
I'm glad you've got a ramp. At least I don't have to jump across the bloody ocean. Ooh, shit. About. He's brought all the grease over. He's the one that's brought all the dirt over.
Down in the water behind you. See all the colors?
I can see the fish.
I don't think any fish will survive.
No, there is fish there. They're swimming amongst, there's fish there swimming amongst the oil. But there are fish there. So here we are on Miss Moon, Rebens dive boat. Sadly, this might be one of the last times you might get to see her, because this is all going because of COVID and many other things. That, you know, this is another business, another industry that's dying in the arse, and sadly it's all going to have to wrap up. So quick look around, but this could be it for Miss Moon. Anyone that's ever sailed on Miss Moon will fondly remember the fridge is over here. Right here is the honesty system, where you wrote down what you had to drink. But it was it'd be 10 customers on board. Everybody knew who the drunks were. But it worked well, it was a good system, but had some good times on this boat. It's going to be sad to see her go, to be honest with you. Some good grapes happening here, mate.
Huh?
Grapes from Australia.
Yeah,
Seedless grapes.
They're
from
really
Australia.
good. On Miss Moon we only have the best stuff. And it's cold.
Oh, we just broke the 1 metre rule.
Oh shit. Easy to follow. Easy to follow.
Don't forget to write down your drinks. How many people, which nationality was very good at not writing down their drinks?
Israelis and French.
There's a bit of controversy for you. Nobody will get. Oh shit.
I sit on the table there, and I put under the table, I put this coil. If not, I cannot stay.
It's working.
Yes, it's working.
This one is with eucalyptus. So
Yeah,
I thought,
but it's-
that's
this one
maybe
is
smelling a
dried
little
on
bit
already.
better. But I can't smell the eucalyptus.
No, it's not healthy for sure, but
the savor on a boat.
We're currently in Preben's doghouse, for want of a better word. He's been banished from the house because he's
Oh, I'm
a
allowed to
he's a
go.
COVID risk, so
I'm
he's
allowed-
down.
No, I'm allowed to come back again. I'm allowed.
by Dr. Nong. Actually, I didn't drink any sip since I left your boat the last time, Preben.
Huh?
I didn't drink any sip of anything of alcohol since I left your boat the
Good
last
for,
time.
good for you.
I don't know. But yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Can't shake it.
Yeah.
You've got to tilt it.
I tilted, you see what happened.
Yeah. So you shook it. That's what happens when you shake it. Should I
He's the
piss?
tilt master.
Should I piss on his boat or piss next to him?
You can piss wherever you want. He's a grumpy old man. No, we were talking about somebody.
Who brought that?
Huh? No, you can't do
But
that.
don't make the stairway slippy, please.
But life have to go on, huh?
Sure.
Somehow.
50 centimeter more, I have also a good choice to get off.
Fucking hell. Huh?
Get up my boat.
Listen, if you need somewhere to stay, just give me a call.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. See you later, Frank.
You know you got almost the same car again in Ranong?
The same.
This will be interesting. Paddy Dow and Sam Petrucci. You see, that's very strong. Nasty punch in the head, isn't it? I hope there's not a fracture or something to deal with there. Jimmy Bartell updates along. Cripps didn't see Nick Smith from behind. Fury really gets caught. Chance to Darcy Parish. McGrath. Fury's going to change. Brilliant team to lead Jones. Initial tackle's okay. To go back in and sort of close it over completely, just to have that awareness and make sure the dog's still checking him out there, Powell and Walsh.
So just like a thermal infrared camera can detect hot spots. To remove the sensor, you can see the text on every day. So the satellite sensor can actually see more than what we can see.
Just down at Ford at the moment, just brought the car down. I got a message from them in Thai saying something about the software needs to be changed or something, so anyway, come down here. And it's about to piss down with rain again. Just one of the... And it's coming down now. Look at it, big time.